So I thought I'd take a little video of one of my radios, my vintage radios. This is a Crosley overseas table radio. Probably I've had it since about 2009, and yeah, it's kind of one of my prized possessions. It's was in real good shape when I got it. But I've polished up the backlight um, outside, and the luckily the plastic cover over the display dial is in pretty good shape considering its age. It was a 1946 model. So I've replaced probably about three tubes over the years. But other than that, it runs like a champ. One of the nice things I really love about this radio, and you see a lot with radios built during the 40s, but it's got a phonograph adapter input, and so I like to connect my phone or MP3 player to the thing, and you turn it on. And let it warm up here. It's got a real good sound.
The National Broadcasting Company takes pleasure in presenting the king of the clarinet, Artie Shaw.
Puts out a lot of volume.
In the Blue Room of the Hotel Lincoln in New York City. And there's the end of the sign-on of syncopation and on into the dance with the Rose Room.
But I like, playing period, broadcasts and old-time radio shows over it. Just a real nice atmosphere. I love all that stuff anyway. So yeah, really enjoy listening to this over the years. And so the radio does work as well. It's a little bit of noise here, real quick.
They say the original father of electricity is C. Michael Faraday. Do you agree with that?
No, the father of electricity is Nikola Tesla.
Literally half a mile.
Everybody knows that. Everybody should know that. Anyway, so I really love this radio, and I actually just recently acquired a full-size console radio that needs to be given some tender loving care, but it's in pretty good shape. It's a Montgomery Ward's Airline model, and I guess these are pretty rare to find, especially with these bezels in really good shape, and this one doesn't have any cracks. All of them seem to have a little bit of warping. I don't know what this material seemed to, I've been told it seemed to have that propensity to warp a little bit, any kind of heat. But yeah, this one is in really, really good shape. No cracks. I'm going to upload some photos and things of the... It does turn on, but the last time I tried, it... something in the back smoked a lot and actually put out a big puff of smoke. So I'm just kind of really wary. And I don't want to do that again unless I have a smoke or like a fire... something to put out a fire extinguisher or something right here with me. So anyway, in real good shape. The wood's actually in pretty good shape. The top's covered right now. It's kind of got some damage, but I think that could be easily repaired and restored. So yeah, really like this radio. It's beautiful. I'm not going to show you now. Like I said, I'll upload some photos later. But the radio itself inside is really good shape. Even I mean, all the tubes that I can see are intact, and they look like they're working fine. So anyway, yep. So hopefully I'll get that going here, or sometime soon, tested and whatever. But that's one of my projects, to get that restored, and it'd be wonderful to have. This all does light up. There's lights up above here inside. So yeah, I wish I could turn it on now, but I just don't trust it indoors right at the moment. So anyway, yeah, but that's what I got right now for a project. So see y'all later.